presentation, sir. Brijesh sir, कोई presentation नहीं है.
Okay, fine.
We can go live. Shashi sir, are you ready?
Yeah, I am ready.
Okay, we're going live now.
So,
Okay, yes, we are live.
now. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Good afternoon. Very good afternoon to everyone.
Yes, 1 second, sir.
Viewers.
Sir, please 1 second. Yes, please go ahead.
Ready? So,
Okay, yes.
I am audible now?
Yes, you're audible, sir.
Okay, very good afternoon to all. And special thanks to Dr. Ajay Trivedi and Ms. Shreya who has organized this program for me. And really, I feel very honored to be the part of the Parul team. And in fact, I would like to say that I had visited Parul in 2012, 8 years back, for the recruitment purpose when I was in McNally Sayaji in Barodara. So I am very much familiar with Parul University, and the way the Parul is growing, really it is a very amazing thing. And that is itself a big success of Parul, that everyone is looking after Parul. Many university has emerged, but Parul has reached the maximum height. So what I should say that what is the mantra of success? Parul is itself as a big example for the success mantra. That university itself a pioneer and example how it has achieved, and he has opened all the faculties. So first mantra is this: we should see the Parul how it's grown. In my opinion, as I have been told to say something about the success of mantra, in my opinion, when a personality, when his signature turns to the autograph, he is a successful man. Means the signature should have the value, the signature should have that weightage that it counts in the society, in the scenario of where you are working. So passion, determination, planning, discipline, these all factors are very much important to have the success in life. Most important is the time, because many people, very successful people, became after achieving the height of success, they gone down because they don't give the weightage of the time. So time should be very important in all field of life. Passion should be there, because any passion you cannot grow. You should have a passion and determination to do the work. Planning is itself also important. Plan your way, plan your life, plan your work, and plan your roadmap, what you are going to do, what you want to achieve. You see, the person who has never given up any chances to grow, he is the successful man. If you try and try and try, always keep on trying, you will get the success. Many examples are there that the people who have tried in their life and they have uh, got the success. I would like to say something. When I joined, I did my MBA in 1984, and I am the gold medalist in that. After doing my LLB in 1986, and I got the fellowship from University Grant Commission for pursuing my PhD. I completed my PhD in just 2 years, and I got the opportunity as a lecturer. I was just only 24 years of age when I went to this institute for delivering the first lecture. I was very much nervous. How would I face the 60 people, the 60 students? And I was aware that I also done in my college with hooting the teachers in the classroom. I was aware of this must be done to me also, but that was my determination how to hold the things, how to do the change the atmosphere. I started my lecture, not taking with the attendance, not giving anyone. I just started my giving my introduction, and after giving my introduction, I gave a mantra to them. The mantra was that how to be the topper in among all your colleagues, among all your students, among all your friends. The mantra was how to present your answer. That presentation of answer is very important, because the question which is there, everyone has to answer the same question, but someone gets 90%, someone gets 60%. What is the difference? The difference is that how you present the things. And when I started my lecture for 50 minutes, that was a pin drop silence, and the students were noting down what are the keys, how to present the answer. So this was my determination, how to be the successful lecturer in my teaching profession. And after 2 years, I left the teaching job, because that time I was only 24 years of age. In PG classes, I had to take only 1 or 2 lectures a day. I thought I will become older very fast, because the life is very slow. So then I moved to the industry, and since long I'm working in industry for the last 30 years. Presently, I'm working with Jindal Saw Limited as a Senior General Manager, Human Resource and Industrial Relation. And I am also the whole-time director of the sister concern, which is UB Stainless. In this profession, I feel I have rose to the height what I have felt in my dream, what I have determined. You see, the important thing is determination. Must have heard the sale of Colgate. Once upon a time, the Colgate tooth, the Colgate what is that cream, that tooth cream was, that market was fallen down, and there was no sale of Colgate brand. How to improve the sale? I think everyone must have about this story. How to improve the sale? The Colgate has just widened the cap, the mouth of the tube, so that the consumption will automatically, the consumption will what do you say, uh, go up. As the consumption go up, the demand supplied there, and the company started doing the business, and it grows. You see, the Bata company, what is the pioneer in Bata? Bata is having the price, whatever is the price of the shoe or the slipper, the last is 99 rupees. It is a pioneer in that. 99 is the brand mark, and that Bata became very famous. Vimal company, that is a textile company. Vimal is a very brand company, but once upon a time, their business had also gone down. They do the new marketing, and they make a very good slogan that was on the TV, on the radio, that was only Vimal, only Vimal. This was a new brand. The brand was the same, but the new name was given to the Vimal, and the Vimal is again in the market. I will tell you, this company is where I am working as a Jindal. Jindal, the founder of the Jindal, he was a farmer. He was from Rajasthan. Once he was working in his field, he saw a pipe which was laying down in the field through the hand pump. The pipe was leaking, and the pipe was marked as made in USA. He thought, if USA can make the pipe which is leaking, why can't I? And from that, he changes his mind, and the determination brought him at the days that today he has spread across the world with multiple business, and Jindal is a name in the society, in the country nowadays. You must have heard that the flag hosting, it was not allowed in India, that the flag cannot be hosted after the sunset. Everyone has to take off the flag after the sunset. But this Jindal, who fought in the court, and after 10 years of continuous fighting in the court, he has amended the Constitution of India, and now you see that everywhere flag can be hoisted for 24 hours with these certain conditions, that there should be illumination, the height should be around 80 feet. But this was the Jindal who has changed the Constitution of India in respect of flag hosting. This is the determination of the Jindal, and see how the people get success. We have a lot of people, crores of people in India, big business tycoons are there, but no one has thought about this. And this man has done, and he created a history there. So Wastage of time it itself a negative part of the success. No, one should never waste the time. Keep on doing something in your life. Maximum you can fail 10 times, 20 times, but yes, one day definitely you will be on the top of your achievement, what you feel and what you want to be. Always change, keep on changing as per the situation. You see, Churchill has also said, to improve is to change, to be perfect is to change often. So if you want to be perfect in your career, in your life, keep on changing. Keep on changing as the situation asks. Keep on changing what is required. Keep on changing what the situations demand. And be always happy. Apart from everything, don't be shy. Don't be in a negative attitude. Your attitude which should be positive. Once I was delivering a lecture in Symbiosis. I was delivering the lecture for 50 minutes, and after that, there was a question, and no one was able to ask any question. But I feel that everyone was having the question in their mind, but the shyness is stopping them to raise the question. So that then I said only one word: पूछोगे नहीं तो सीखोगे कब? And that was the mantra, and people started asking me several questions for 20 minutes. So you have to boost the people, because you have to be humorous also. Not every time you have to be very in the serious mood. Keep on smiling, be a humorous. You see, even a medical practitioner, doctor also, if he is very silent, he is very attitude person, his business never come. But a doctor, a medical practitioner doctor, he smiles and speaks to the patient. 25% of the disease gone up. Everyone has the every human being has the strength. The genetic theories also says that every human being have the strength to become anything in their life. The thing is how to activate that gene. You know, the cancer, the virus of cancer is available in everyone's body, but no one is having the cancer disease. Cancer disease, how it appears when your cancer virus activates in your body. Similarly, every human being has the virus in their body that he can be a good actor, he can be a good singer, he can be a good orator, he can be a good Daku also. So how their genes develop, and this is the human resource. We human resource people, we develop the genes, we develop the quality hidden inside the human beings, and this is the reason the role of human resources is also very much important. Not only in the day of professional life, but in the day of your social life also. You see, just a minute. You see, uh, this just a minute, please, sorry. Everyone knows the opportunity knocks the door to everyone's life. Always opportunity knocks the door. You have to be serious, you have to be very punctual. Grab the opportunity. Example, if you are on the platform, then train comes, you see the train is full of crowd, and you will think that let the other trains come and I will enter into that. You will never enter the train. So first enter the train, automatically you will get the seat. So opportunity is always knocking your door. You have to find out, you have to be very perfect, and you have to be cautious to grab the opportunity. You Tata Steel, the CMD of Tata Steel was Mr. Rushi Modi. Long back in 80s, when I was doing my PhD, he was a coal agent. He started his career as a coal agent. He was supplying the coal to the Tata Steel. And one day he saw an advertisement in the local newspaper that Tata Steel is going to recruit a welfare officer. He applied for the position. When he was called for the interviewer asked him, Mr. Modi, why you want to become the welfare officer? There you will have to work for a limited hours. Your salary will be limited. But as a coal agent, you are getting more money. See the determination, the passion. Mr. Modi said, Sir, I want to see myself sitting on your chair. This was his answer, and Modi was selected. And after that, he became the CMD of Tata Steel. So, determination, motivation, and discipline is very important for that. And uh, you have the burning example nowadays, like Mr. Modi, a tea seller, he became the prime minister because of his determination, because of his hard work. Hard work is always and always countable. You will be always remembered. You will be always given benefit if you are giving the hard work in your profession, in your social life. And most important thing is what the things comes, you just plan to, you have to do it. Don't think that I will do it later on. You have to do it and do it right now. We the people of industries, we are working in industry, we have the several type of problems. What problem, what time it will come, we don't know. But we are always ready to handle it at any situation. So what is that? The thing is this grievances. The people has a lot of grievances. We handle it at a time, because if we ignore that, this will become into dispute, and that dispute becomes into the strike. These are the things which has to be taken care. And I would like to say there is a opportunity which knocks the door every time. I am the man who has the passion of in his field of uh, professional life, in the field of human resource. But see the how the opportunity knocks the door. I got an offer from a film industry. I am not an actor, I am not a singer, but I got the opportunity in 2012 in a film industry. And I worked in that film. That film was the remake of Life of Pi. That film was dubbed and it was shooted in 4 different languages. And I was having the second lead role in that. Any experience before, no, don't have, I was not having any experience of facing the camera, but I acted in that film. But unfortunately that film was not completed. Again, the latest film, I was called for the film, that was Ud Chale. This you can see in the YouTube. This film has just completed, where I worked as a very strong and disciplined and honest uh, education minister. This film has completed because of this lockdown. It is not released, but very soon it will be released. When I was acting in the film, was having the determination how to act. Why I have never faced the camera. I have never seen that 100 people crowd for the shooting. And my co-star, who was a professional, who was from the film industry, they were giving just retakes many times, and my shot was cleared only in 1 take, because I have to do my best. Nahi hoga, what will happen? If I fail, no problem, I will be out from the film industry. If I succeed, one day I can be in the film industry. But this passion, determination, and my do it, just to do it, keep on trying, this helped me. And let us see, the film will be released. I may be from Jindal to somewhere else. These are the things of mantra. Many people knows, many formulas are that, but as me, from my side, I can say that what is the important thing for the life is be very honest in your life, be very punctual in your life, and that will help, that will create a history, that will pull you from the crowd. You should be the different, you should like or act like the different from the crowd. Then only you will be the successful man. Never give up, These are the things that everyone knows, and this mantra is not a new thing for everyone, but no one acts on the mantra. Just they know everything, but practically they don't do it. Focus on the strength. Never, everyone has the strength. You have to see what is your strength, focus on your strength, and that will give you the best result. That will be the mantra for others, and you will one day you will be taken as an icon for others. Change situation, be happy. These are all the things. Everyone is doing it, but not with the passion, not with the determination. Even in the offices also, people are coming at the time, going back to their home in the time. But what they do, they are doing their work. What is assigned, but who become the special man? Who are doing their extra activities like, tell me what to do next. What I am assigned is not important. Tell me what to do further. If you ask, you will be given the opportunity, and then definitely you will be the successful man in your career. I hope this mantra. I have also heard the lecture of our ex-president, Mr. Abdul Kalam. He has given a lot of talks about the mantras. But if anyone could have uh, adopted few mantras, many people have grown up in their career. But people see their lectures, but adoption is no. Adoption is very nil. These are the things. So we have lot of things. You can get many things in the Google, but learning and reading is not important. Important, you have to adopt it. You have to practice it in your life. Then only the thing will change. I hope what I have said, it is enough to that. Anything else? If you there is a question asked, you can go for that. Hello. Hello, Ms. Shreya. I think it is disconnected.
Yes, sir.
Ha.
Sir, am I? Yes.
I think it was audible for the time.
Yes, sir, it was audible.
Okay, fine. So what is next is I have you the
So you are not audible. Shashi, sir?
yeah.
Yes. Okay, now you're asking for questions, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, sir, you can see in this pandemic situation, we as mentors, we received a lot of questions from the students as to how do they need to, maintain the tempo, and how do they need to manage everything in their life. They are asked to study well. They are asked to perform well in extracurricular activities also. So basically, we expect our students now to multitask, and we don't accept, when they are just good performers in the class. We want them to be an all-rounder. What do you think, first of all, what is the importance of a role model in their life? So I have
I'm not
received many
getting your
questions.
voice. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes, please. Huh.
Yes. So, sir, we've received a lot of questions. One of the questions is, what is the importance of having a role model in our life? Do you have a role model? And if yes, who is that person? And should we have a role model, and how important it is to follow that role model?
Fine. So you see, the role model, everyone feels that I have a role model. My role model was Amitabh Bachchan, but he himself caught with corona. He was in the hospital for many days. We used to see him on the TV screen that wash your hand, take sanitizer, but the man who was giving us the ways to how to fight with the corona, he was fought with corona. So, in my opinion, you should be the role model of yours and for others. You should create yourself as a role model instead of following others. You see, corona is a virus. It is just like a flu, influenza. Our company is having 2,500 people working here. Not a single day our production, our company, our working was stopped. I I
Yes.
just wanted to know what is corona, how did it spreads, and what are the consequences of corona. And we took the step from the day one until date. We are working with 2,500 people without any corona such a large industry. So in my opinion, you should be the role model for others instead of copying anyone else. Because my role model, Amitabh Bachchan, he himself fails, so I stopped making any role model for others.
Okay. Yes. So one more thing, like what keeps you so energetic? What keeps you going in your life? Of course, you shared your Mahamantra of success that we need to be focused, we need to be punctual in life. So it shows that you give a lot of importance to punctuality, and you always believe that we should plan everything in our life. But certainly, we know that not everything goes planned in a planned way. So, what do you think? Suppose if something is not going as per the plan, okay, how do we come out of that situation? And what is that one force that can motivate us or can make us to have patience?
Fine. The thing is the very important thing, and the one that is a one mantra, it's a self-determination. You have to determination yourself. You have to be determined. You have to determine yourself, and that will help you to come out with all our situations. You see, when I'm working, this lot of companies are working around our premises, and all the industry were closed. But because I was the man, I handled a single-handed, and I came out with the all corona diseases, and we are doing that. So, in coming from energy, determination, passion, this gives me the energy, and that has boosted my energy, and I'm working that.
Yeah, okay, that's great to know, sir. And first of all, like how important it is for a child to, as we know that all the, I have met so many speakers, we have heard so many motivational speakers and so many celebrities, and all of them have one thing in common: they are multitaskers. They have achieved and done so many things in their life. If you talk about any mayor or a politician, they are so good at so many things. How do you think that hobbies play a very important role in a child's life? Like, because students are asking me these questions, that we always keep telling them that always spend some amount of or some time of their day in their hobbies, with their hobbies. What do you think about it?
See, the for if the question is from the students, the role model of the student should be the teacher. And the what is the important thing that is you have asked about what is the thing which should can you repeat it again?
So my question is, a student has asked me that we are always constantly asked that you spend some time every day for your hobby, whatever hobbies you like. So how important
Mhm.
it is to do that, because they don't get a lot of time out of their lectures and everything to pursue that hobby. So what do you think? Like, what is the importance of hobbies, and what hobbies do you have? And how do you think they can shape the entire character of a child or of a student?
See, hobbies, everyone has the hobbies, but the important thing you should have the passion. Number one, the passion is very important, and that will create the hobbies. Similarly, just like you can say that a student, Time management should be their hobbies. Not playing the game, not playing anything, or doing something extra activities. That is not the hobby. Should be the time management, creativity, and your passion. That should be the hobbies for a successful man or successful human beings.
Right. So we have one more, many questions. The next question is: do dreams have any roles to play in success?
Dreams,
Yes, that is the
yeah,
question.
definitely. Uh, you have to dream, and then you will plan accordingly. That then you plan, and that dream will comes true with the hard work, determination, and passion. So have the dream in their mind. Everyone should have the dream in their life, because without any mission or vision, you cannot come forward. So dream is important. We should dream, but not the daydream.
Not daydreaming, but yes, of course, we should dream and always keep thinking, keep focused. Whatever we
Yeah,
want
keep
to
focus.
achieve, yes, that we should focus on that, right?
Right,
Yes.
right.
So we have another question. Do you relate holistic approach and profession? That is the question.
What do you relate?
Holistic approach and profession.
Yeah, sure. Holistic approach is important. Because of that you cannot plan anything, because you without any planning you cannot do, you cannot come up, you cannot make anything successful. Overall, planning is the very important role, because without planning, not only in your personal life, even in your professional life, even in your social life, planning without any planning, you cannot succeed. Behavior of success, behavior is very important to get the success. So planning and behavior.
Okay. So, sir, you just said that you, as of now, you don't have any role models, but you think and you believe that we should be, we should try to become a role model to others. So, in another way, I ask this question: who do you think are the five most successful people on this planet, according to you?
On this planet, or in India, in this planet.
Yes, maybe you can talk
The
about the five most successful people in India.
in India or in the planet. Five most
Yeah.
successful men, if you will ask me, in the planet, I will say first was Mr. Barack Obama, who had changed the
Right.
scenario in the US. And his mantra was,
Right.
"Yes, we can." These
Yes.
word has changed the scenario in the US. Everyone knows it. So
True.
Barack
True.
Obama was the role model. And many people says Gandhiji, but many people criticize also Gandhiji. But I can say that no one has seen Ram, no one has seen Hanuman. That has created in their mind, and they are worshipping them. In my opinion, I feel after hundreds of years, then again a god will emerge like Mahatma Gandhi, and people will say that there was a man on the earth or in India who has who has changed the scenario of the country without any violence. So Gandhi is also the role model for me. And now in the present scenario, Mr. Modi is also much a role model, or I can say he is also in this India as at this stage is number one.
True. True.
Apart from the political, many people are there, but it is very difficult to name many people or identify few of them. But these three I always say.
Right. Right. Okay. So, sir, in your entire speech, you talked about many qualities that a successful person should inculcate and should have, like dedication, passion, energy, focus. If you summarize, if I talk about the five qualities that you've observed in these three people, Mr. Barack Obama, Gandhi ji and Mr. Narendra Modi. What do you think were their strengths, and what do you think are the qualities that are common in these three people?
Yes, the strength I see in all that the things were determination. They were the determination and the discipline with the passion. This helped them to be the successful and to be the role model for others.
True. So, like I have many questions. One more question is that we can see that nowadays women have started to walk shoulder to shoulder with men. They have come a long way, and we can see a lot of empowerment happening in that women's stream also. What do you think about the success of women in all these years?
Success of women.
Yes,
Yeah, definitely. We also give the top priority to the women's in the employment because we compare with others. Women should be given should be empowered, should be given the opportunity to stand by the men because uh, women's are, in my opinion, what I have seen, they are taking the things in a very right manner and they don't waste their time. They give the importance to their time and they are very, very, very punctual and very devoted to their profession. So, women's should be empowered and they I definitely feel the empowerment comparison to man to women that will help a lot and it will help the society to see the new scenario, new India, new world.
right. That is indeed an enlightening session, sir. So it seems to be a great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this webinar a very resounding success. I would like to thank our distinguished speaker, Dr. Shashi Sinha, for making an excellent speech and making this webinar very meaningful and interesting. I'd also like to thank our Dean, Dr. Ajay Trivedi, for his guidance and moral support. I'm happy to express a vote of thanks to our viewers for their support and constant motivation. Thank you so much, sir, on behalf of Faculty of Commerce, Park University.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be among with you. A lot of thanks. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. I will see you all soon with yet another exciting webinar. Till then, take very good care of yourselves and have a very nice day. Thank you so
Sure.
much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.